Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what does pending mean on Snapchat. So, let's get started. When a message or snap is pending on Snapchat, it means that Snapchat has not been able to deliver it to the recipient. There are a few reasons why this might happen. The recipient may not be connected to the internet. The recipient may have blocked you. The recipient may have unfriended you. There may be a problem with the Snapchat servers. If a message or snap is pending, there are a few things you can do to try to fix it. Check your internet connection and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or a cellular network. Send the message or snap again. Ask the recipient to check their internet connection and make sure they are connected to the internet. Ask the recipient to unblock you or refriend you. Wait and see if the message or snap eventually delivers. If it doesn't deliver after a few hours, you may need to contact Snapchat support. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.